Hello, my name is Amarjot Singh, and I'm a ICCRC licensed consultant here in Edmonton. I've been practicing immigration law for a lot of years. Sometimes people ask me why I'm charging a consultation fee, while other people do not. And so I made a little short video to explain my position here. When you go to a doctor, for example, to get your disease checked and diagnosed, you pay a consultation fee, don't you? Uh, I mean, how am I not different from them? You come to me, I tell you what your problem is, I give you a solution, and then you are on your own, whether you want to use that advice, use that information to go forward and do your own thing, or you can pretty much take that advice to somebody else and get the application done. So that's what I do, and some people like it, some people don't. Some people like it that much, and they say, yeah, this is the kind of service that we are looking for, and we got the information, and now we can take it from there. And people who are not qualified, who are not eligible for something, they expect me to do a lot of things for them, even though they are not eligible. And I tell them, look, I cannot do that. That is the point of my telling you for a flat fee that you are not eligible, so you can change your track and go somewhere else, or maybe do some other category if you may. So I made a little presentation here for you to take a look, and I've listed about five, I think 4 to 5 reasons here. And if you can see right on the screen, free things have no value. I mean, when you get something free, you can listen to me all day long, but there's no incentive for you to take notes or pay serious attention. When you pay a fee, you respect your own time, you respect my time, and then you pay heed to what I'm telling you. Otherwise, it's free. I mean, when you buy food from the restaurant, and when you're hungry, you pay a price, and then you get the food, and then you enjoy the food. I mean, if the food was delivered to you free and given to you free, I mean, I'm sure maybe not even understand whether this is real food or this has real quality or not. So it's something that we understand. There's no such thing as free lunch anywhere in the world, so free service has no value. That's number one. Let me ask you this. I mean, do you work for free? I mean, do you wherever you are working, you're working in a company or you're working for a government, if your employer tells you, look, there's no money this month and we can't pay you, but would you like to still continue working for this month? Would you continue work? Or when you go to airline to book a seat, and the airline say, oh, look, we have some seats available, but I'm not going to sell you free. You can say, oh, can I come and just sit on the airline seat? Your plane is going anyway. So how do you negotiate with the airline? Say, hey, give the seat for me. It's going free anyway. Do they relate? What do you say when you ask for a waiver from the embassy when you apply for a tourist visa, work visa, study visa? They have an application fee. I mean, do they allow you to apply without paying application fee? Try it sometime. Let's see what happens. I mean, I've never heard they waiving the fees, but go ahead and try it and see. So that's the reason number two. Number three, I always give you a refund if you tell me that you're not satisfied with my information, or all your answers were not according to what you were expecting. I'm not guaranteeing that you will be eligible. I'm just telling you what the law is, what the legal situation is, whether you can make it or not. That's all I'm saying. But still, if you're not happy, if you're not satisfied, hey, you just tell me. If you're not happy, I'll give you back your money back, right? So I mean, have you heard recently all lawyers or any lawyers, any consultants anywhere in the world refunding you money? You try it sometime. Let's see what happens. Number four, look at number four on the screen. Once you've paid a fee, you'll be able to take action on it. Sometimes we keep on postponing things and we think, oh, we'll do it tomorrow, we'll do it next year or 6 months later or something. But as soon as you get on to the role of paying the money, and then you can take some action, and now you're ready to roll. You can start the application on your own or through somebody else. Does not matter. Number five, if those reasons were not enough, if you want to get the whole package of the application done through me, I can deduct the consultation fee from the package. It all depends on you. You want to go through me, you can. You can go through somebody else who can do it cheaper, for example, or you can go to somebody in your family, or somebody, or maybe perhaps you can do it on your own. So the decision is yours, but at least you get the satisfaction, you get the best advice possible. and then you can run with it. At least you know now what is right, what is not right, and how to proceed, how to go forward. So that's my little message for you to understand why I charge a consultation fees, just like everybody does. That's what I do. That's based on my expenses. And when I'm not taking a whole lot of money, for example, if somebody comes to me and say, look, I want to do a spousal sponsorship, I say, look, my total package is X number of dollars, could be 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Hey, why don't you spend 1 or 2 hours with me? I'll teach you, I'll show you the application forms, I'll show you the law, I'll explain you what documents will go, and then perhaps you can save those money. You can do it on your own or through somebody else. Either way, you will save money and you'll be in better control of your own immigration application. So that's my little 2 cents here, and I hope you subscribe to my thoughts in what my policy is about the fee is. But that's all I can say. All right, thank you. Take care, and I hope you have a good day today.